Welcome back to Drive Factor, everyone. Today we're diving deep into the car that's supposed to represent the absolute pinnacle of BMW's engineering and luxury in 2026, the all-new 7 Series. This is the G70 generation after its mid-cycle refresh, and BMW has gone all in to take the fight directly to the Mercedes S-Class and the new Audi A8L. Let's start where every great sedan should, with the way it looks from the outside. Walking up to the 2026 7 Series still feels like an event. The front end is dominated by the massive illuminated kidney grille. Love it or hate it, BMW has doubled down on the size, but this year they've made it more elegant with Swarovski crystal elements inside the grille and slimmer, sharper LED headlights that now feature adaptive matrix technology with laser high beams. The optional iconic glow package lights up the entire kidney outline at night, and it honestly looks like a spaceship landed in your driveway. The hood is longer, the proportions are perfectly balanced on the long wheelbase version that most buyers will choose, and the new 21-inch aero wheels on our 760i test car fill the arches beautifully. From the side, the Hofmeister kink is more pronounced, and the flush door handles combined with the soft closed doors give it that ultra-premium feel. At the back, the ultra-thin 3D taillights are connected by a full-width light bar, and the chrome strip is now darker on the M Sport package for a stealthier vibe. Available colors like the new Aventurin Red Metallic or the Frozen Carbon Black make this thing look $1 million on the road. Slide inside, and this is where the 7 Series completely destroys the competition. You're greeted by the latest iDrive 8.5 curved display, a 14.9-inch touchscreen merging seamlessly into a 12.3-inch driver display. The graphics are sharper than ever, response times are instant, and the new interaction bar runs across the entire dash, glowing in different colors depending on what mode you're in. The merino leather is everywhere, softer than anything I've ever touched in a car, and the optional cashmere wool blend on the seats is next-level ridiculous. The front seats are 20-way power adjustable with massage, heating, and ventilation, but the real party is in the back. This long wheelbase model gives you limousine levels of legroom. The rear seats recline up to 42 degrees, come with heating, cooling, massage, and even have their own 8-inch tablets in the door panels to control everything. The piece de resistance is the 31-inch 8K theater screen that drops down from the roof. Its Amazon Fire TV built-in, supports 5G, and the Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround system with 4D audio and exciters in the seats makes you feel the bass in your spine. Ambient lighting with 15,000 fiber optic points, a panoramic sky lounge roof, and automatic doors that open and close with a wave of your foot, this interior is pure science fiction made real. Now let's drive it. Our test car is the 760i xDrive with the twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8 pumping out 544 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque, now paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. 0 to 60 comes in just 3.9 seconds despite this thing weighing almost 5,500 pounds. The 8-speed ZF transmission is silk smooth, and the all-wheel drive system can send 100% of power to the rear when you just want to glide. The big news for 2026 is the improved air suspension with predictive damping that reads the road 20 meters ahead using cameras. Hit a pothole and it feels like the car just floats over it. Rear axle steering is now standard on all models and shrinks the turning circle to that of a 3 Series, unbelievable for something this long. Put it in sport mode and the exhaust opens up with a deep V8 growl that reminds you this is still a proper BMW. The i7 electric version is incredible too, but there's something about this V8 that just feels special in 2026. Pricing? The base 740i starts at $99,400. Step up to the 750e plug-in hybrid and you're looking at $108,750. Our fully loaded 760i xDrive with M Sport package, executive lounge seating, and every option box ticked comes in at a staggering $148,950 before destination. The all-electric i7 xDrive 60 starts at $124,300, and the range-topping i7 M70 will set you back over $190,000 when equipped. So is the 2026 7 Series worth it? If you want the most technologically advanced, most comfortable, and most in-your-face luxurious sedan on the planet right now, absolutely yes. The S-Class might still edge it out on pure ride isolation, but for driver involvement, theater-level entertainment, and sheer presence, BMW has built something truly special. This is peak luxury in 2026, and I can't stop driving it. Thanks for watching. Drop your thoughts in the comments, Team 7 Series or Team S-Class. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this deep dive, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an upload, and I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe.